Good afternoon, folks. So welcome to Moa's Family Farm. Just going to run you through what we're doing with our growing area. We've spent the last 4 months clearing brambles, which were taller than myself. The whole area was full of brambles. I'm sure you might have seen the videos of the clearance that's gone on. So if you follow me, we'll just have a quick look. Okay, so over here we've put potatoes in about sometime in April, probably 4 weeks ago. We used a potato ridger to help. Didn't get on very well with it, wasn't right size for our tractor, and we ended up with the potatoes going everywhere. So where we planted them in rows, we're now not quite sure. There should be 3 rows of earlies and 2 rows of main to starters. We put some mulch on the top because it's been very cold. We've had frost, so hopefully that's saved them. We've got some coming through. Got one there, little one there, another one there, and a few here. So I think at the moment we've got possibly two rows coming through, but I think they're just going to come up wherever. But hey ho, best plans. We've got some ridges there ready for planting some more potatoes when I can get hold of some seed potatoes. Like to do some second earlies and some main, and then behind that we've got our parsnips. Again, these were planted quite a while ago. We've got 3 rows. They're just starting to come through, very small but just showing their heads, so we'll see what happens. They won't be ready obviously till the winter. That's plot 1. Then I've got plot 2. Plot 2 is where I'm going to be growing all my brassicas. So we've got, in our first row, we've got Brussels. I think we've got 2 rows of Brussels sprouts. Again, they're just starting to come through, looking quite healthy. And then we have some rows of cabbages. Again, I've direct sowed. They're straight in the ground. It's been really cold, so it's a bit slow. So we've got 1, 2 rows of Brussels, and I think it's 3 rows of cabbage seeds. They are coming through somewhere. I have seen some. And then we carry on with the brassicas, but sort of a half row now. We've got some kale. Got to admit, we cheated. We bought some kale to start us off. We need that for food for the guinea pigs. And we're going to grow some more cabbage. I've got some in trays that I've started off. Again, they're not growing yet. It's been so cold. Haven't got a polytunnel yet, so a lot of the seeds are in different buildings, windowsills. Get put out in the day, brought in at night. We've got our beans. I planted those yesterday. 50 bean plants have gone in. We've recycled the logs to make our A-frame, and we'll probably grow something underneath. Maybe some salad leaves, something that grows quite quickly that we can pick and use for our animals. And today we've got onions that really should have gone in already. We had some seed onions. They're well rooted, plenty of green on them. So they're going in, and we've also got some pea seeds that we're going to try and sow directly into the ground. Haven't grown peas before, so that's something new. So I think the plan is to do the peas next to the beans, and then do the onions up in the top section. And then across the back, where it's ridged, we might do a few more potatoes if we need to, or possibly leeks.
What are you doing here?
Not sure what we're going to do here yet. We do want to get a polytunnel, or possibly make a polytunnel, but we need to get the resources. We're going to need scaffold poles, water pipe, thicker than this pipe, and obviously we'll buy the plastic. But it's just sourcing the materials and getting the time to make one.
Look at that cat. Sorry, Bonnie. She's been following us around this entire time. I can't take her seriously.
No, the cat follows us everywhere. She was with me yesterday. So, but yeah, we're hoping to sort out a polytunnel at some point or two. One would be good to start off with. Possibly in this area. If not, over behind us. Over on that section there.
What about orchard?
Yeah, well, we are going to have some fruit trees somewhere.
You just don't know where?
Possibly over there.
Possibly.
Well, it depends on where the polytunnel's going, but at the moment, where I'm growing has encroached onto where the polytunnel was originally going to go up to, because we were going to have about a 38, 40 foot, 42 foot.
I think it's 42 foot, yeah.
But I think we've come across too far now. I'd like to get it up during the summer when it's warm for getting the plastic on, and then hopefully we can extend the season into the autumn and overwinter things. Sorry, do excuse me, I can't resist.
This cat, what?
Hello, Bonnie. She follows us everywhere. As long as she doesn't start digging up the plants and the seeds, I don't mind. We put some netting over the brassica area so that the birds don't pull them up, and also cabbage, butterfly, things like that. This net's a bit too, the holes are too big. We need to change it. It was just temporary very quickly last night because I needed to get the kale in, so that'll be changed. That's all for now. We're gonna put the onions in. We'll show you that some of the time. We're gonna use the hoe, do a trench, not too deep. They only need to be shallow. And hopefully they'll take. Some people put a net over, but I don't think I'm going to bother. Thank you.
Look at the cat.
The cat's having a bath.
I can't take her seriously. Bonnie, what are you doing?
She's having a bath. A dust bath. Don't dig my plants up.
And she's going to tap the wood. Oh yeah, I'll end it here then. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed.
Because I don't like my voice.
I hope you've enjoyed watching my mum take you through part of the growing area, some of the plans. So there is plans for some form of polytunnel, but maybe making it herself yet, not too sure. Fruit trees, they are wanted. We're originally going over there, not too sure again. It all depends what's happening with if we make a makeshift polytunnel. So if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, join our journey. We've been here 6 months now nearly, so progressed quite well. We've got some lovely ladies here enjoying a bit of a dust bath behind me there. Right, so drop us a comment if you've been following the channel for a while now. Let me know who's here, who's watching, what you think and what we're doing here, anything we could do differently. I'd love to know if you've got any opinions on certain things we could grow as well that we might not have mentioned. Right, so we're joined by another cat now. Oh, just as I'm ending, comes Daisy. Right, so thanks for watching guys, and take care.